Welcome to my channel Life Science Point. Today I will discuss Michaelis Menten constant. So all of guys are request to subscribe my channel for the latest video. We all know enzyme reaction with the substrate and then enzyme substrate complex produce, and next after the reaction they separate the enzyme and product are produced. Okay, so here enzyme plus substrate produce the enzyme substrate complex, and K1 is the here constant, and enzyme substrate complex to enzyme plus product. So here K2 is the substance for the production of enzyme plus product, and it is the enzyme substrate complex. And in the reversely or breakdown of enzyme substrate complex when produce enzyme plus substrate in the backwardly, it is the constant K minus 1. Okay, so now we can see in the graph that x axis is the time denote and the y axis denote the concentration of substrate. And now we can see that increasing of time substrate concentration gradually decrease. Increasing of time substrate concentration gradually decrease. Okay, increasing of time substrate concentration gradually decrease. And again increasing of time product concentration, increasing of time product concentration here increased. Okay, and concentration of enzyme substrate complex, firstly here we can see enzyme substrate complex, here we can see enzyme substrate complex firstly increase and then steady state growth or steady state at the specific limit. Okay, so now we all know that. So from the graph, that is the D, the enzyme substrate complex is equal to 0, because the here we can see, so ES complex or when product enzyme plus substrate reaction and breakdown of ES is always upwardly, forwardly and backwardly always K1 and K minus 1 constant. So here dES by dt response to time here is 0. Okay, then rate of formation of ES, then rate of formation of ES, that is ES, rate of formation of ES respect by time K1 into ES enzyme substrate complex and substrate. Okay, and breakdown of ES we can say that is K breakdown, in case of breakdown K minus 1 ES enzyme substrate complex plus K2 enzyme substrate. Okay, now the rate of formation of ES, here we can see the rate of formation of ES K1 ES S, and in case of breakdown of ES here we can see that's formula. So now we can see rate of formation of ES complex K1 ES S is equal to, that is okay, or it is the breakdown. Okay, that's the same. Okay, so K1 ES complex and substrate is equal to K minus 1 ES complex plus K2 ES. Okay, that is the equation. In case of enzyme total, in case of enzyme total, we can say that K1 enzyme total minus enzyme substrate into substrate is equal to K minus 1 ES plus K2 ES. Okay, so here we find enzyme total is equal to K1 into enzyme total minus enzyme substrate complex into substrate, so is equal to K minus 1 and enzyme substrate complex K2. Next, K1 enzyme total substrate minus simply K1 multiply as a rule and K1 into ET S and that is okay, and K1 into ES and S, K1 into ES and S, okay, is equal to that. Okay, next K1 ET into S is equal to here K1 into ES S plus K minus 1 and that is here we if found that the K1 ET S, then this portion come into right side and plus, okay, so it come into in this portion and again that there is sum of, okay, total that here was minus, so here plus. Okay, now K1 ET and S is equal to here we common ES, now left K1 S plus K minus 1 and K2 ES common. Okay, then now ET S, when I divided K1 in both side, okay, K1 divided, now left ETS, okay, and here ES and K1 as well divided, here K1 gone and plus K minus 1 plus K2 by K1 because we divided into by we divided by K1. Okay, next ET S and ES plus S plus K, so here we see that K minus 1 plus K2, that is the Km, okay, that is the Km, so we can say ETS is equal to ES and S plus that is the Km. Okay, now ES, that ES is equal to ET ES by S plus Km. Okay, we can see that this is the equation by arrangement and divided by Q1. Okay, now so in case of production, formation of production, here dP by dt is equal to V0 because the formation of production and the breakdown of production, E plus P production is the same equal to constant, so is equal to here dP by dt is equal to V0, that is equal to K2 into ES complex. Okay, so now here if we in this equation, here we in both side multiply with K2, here multiply with K2 in both side, then we found that, and the K2 ET, that is the means of Vmax. So in the Vmax, that is the in the formula when product are saturated, okay, then K2 enzyme total is Vmax. Okay, then we found that is the K2 ES, this K2 ES, that is the this K2 ES, that is the V0 you found a previous, so here K2 ES is equal to V0, so V0 is equal to K2 ET is equal to Vmax into S by S plus Km. So this is the Michaelis-Menten equation. Okay, but in case of here we can see in this graph Vmax when the V maximum point in the substrate concentration is at the high, and the velocity at the maximum velocity. Okay, in this case that hourly growth, but at a time steady state. Okay, so here we can see that in case substrate is fairly less than km, so v0 is equal to v max substrate by km. So then v0 is equal to, in case of half v max, v0 is equal to half v max. Okay, so v0 is equal to half v max, so here we put v0 value half v max. So v max s by km is equal to half v max. So v0 value here input this v max by km value, then km common, and then km radius s. Okay, this is the Michaelis-Menten equation. I hope
Here Vmax
all of
common.
guys
Okay.
watching this video may be helpful. Okay, so please thumbs up. Okay, thank you.